The filling kit includes a filling device with a mounted pressure gauge, and a hose with 2 connections. We will need a nitrogen bottle and a pressure reducer. Step 1. Remove the plug and check if the gasket is inserted. Step 2. Unscrew the top handle completely. And screw the side handle completely. Screw the filling device to the thread of the pulsation damper. If the hose has a connector adapter, remove it. Step 3. Remove the plug and check if the gasket is inserted. Screw the flat connector to the charging valve. Tighten the connector with a 17 fixed wrench. Step 4. Screw the conic connector to the pressure reducer. Tighten the connector with a 17 fixed wrench. Make sure the pressure reducer handle is completely unscrewed. Open slowly the nitrogen bottle valve. Keep the dampener in vertical position during this process. Step 5. Screw the top handle completely. Step 6. Increase the pressure slowly about 2 to 5 bar over the pre-charge pressure. Step 7. Close the nitrogen bottle valve. and unscrew the pressure reducer handle completely. Step 8. Open the purge handle until it reaches the desired pressure. And unscrew the top handle completely. Then unscrew the side handle until pressure drops to 0 bar. Step 9. Disconnect the hose. Replace the plug in the valve. Finally, remove the filling device. And replace the plug valve.